to this place. Good morning. It's day 2? No. It's day 3, and we're going to go hiking. It's supposed to be cold, like really cold, and raining up there. So let's see cómo nos trata el tiempo. I'm back in la combi, en el bus. Good morning. Good morning. We're on our way to the train station now. These are my favorite things so far. There's like these egg and ham sandwiches. I've had, I think a total of, I had one yesterday, then I had one again. This is my 3rd one, and I love it. So we just got to our first tourist stop, and this is how it looks. It looks amazing. I mean, we sat next to some really cool like Filipinos sat next to us, and they were having conversations. It was so awesome. So we were in the train, and no one will think I am lying. I actually have proof. Did I get called Vanessa Hutchins?
Confirmed, yes.
How many times?
Twice. And another time before, after the train.
Confirmed. So, Milo, I'm not lying. I got called Vanessa Hutchins. Shout out to Mark and Aaron. Vives. I was shocked, but I guess it was what I was wearing. I was wearing like a Yankees hat, a cap, and my hair was pulled back. Maybe that's why. He thought I looked like Vanessa Hutchins, which I'll take the compliment because she's beautiful. No, mamen. Oh. Amanda, how are you feeling?
Ready to conquer Europe. Well, to win at least.
If I'm not mistaken, we're gonna walk over here to this waterfall, and you can see a waterfall, and then you can actually see snow up there. You can't see it. Oh, yeah, snow up there. Quieren waffles y donuts los chamacos. Ahí están las vacas. There's literally, the cows here are built different than back home. Oh, no, you're fine. Pa, este es para ti, porque siempre andas buscando las vacas y acá están. That was clean. Gotta get the views. Wow.
Faster?
Oh, it did. It was like, alright, let's turn it.
Motherfucker's going baby out the hood.
Boy, shut up.
Project baby.
Project baby. Oh, this is it. Oh no. It just makes your stomach curious.
Hang on.
Like, oh yeah.
He's a blossom. He's a hood blossom.
This is our 3rd gondola ride, and we're gonna go to some bridge apparently. We made it to the top, and there's literally snow. Oh my goodness. We're on top, and it's literally clouds everywhere. Oh, it's sprinkling. I no. I don't want my camera to get wet. This is crazy. Sunday was Mother's Day, so I aproveché, le llamé a mi mamá. Oh, I sent him a video. I recorded a video. My Feliz Dia de las Madres, ma. And then, like, she texted me, which I was like surprised that she was not sleeping in. And I FaceTimed her and my dad, and they got to see snow. These children playing with their lives right now. It's snowing.
Are you a bitch?
We came back down from the top, and now, as you can hear, it is water, and it's going to be the waterfall that you hear. Look at this. Look how beautiful the water is. I don't think I've seen water so beautiful like I have here. La naturaleza is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look, that's how we got down, and went up was the gondola. We were up there in those cables. I know. I try not to look. A different angle of the waterfall. Might have taken pictures. So on Monday, we were gonna go to the top of Europe. The train ride there was probably another magical train ride because you would go up the mountain and it was just like, you would see everything, guys, like down in the towns, and you would just start seeing so many waterfalls around you. Good morning. It is day 4 in Switzerland. Right now we're going to, we've done multiple train rides and we're going to go to top of Europe. It is literally snowing there right now. I did not bring any gear because for some reason I didn't expect snow. I didn't think that through. I didn't do enough research, so that's something I know for next time when I come. A train's leaving right now. But now I know to come prepared. Pero no pasa nada because it's snowing in certain parts, and then we go back and it's like regular, like 60 degrees, 50 degrees, whatever degrees it is now. But yeah, I'm excited to see snow. They just tried all like Celsius. Oh, the bus is here.
Fish. They got fish this year.
Guys, look how cute those trains look. It's warm. On our way to top of Europe. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm getting tired.
I don't care. I don't care anymore.
The view from the train station. We were over there
You getting your content?
yesterday. Yes. Acabamos de llegar a Grindelwald. No sé. Like the top of a mountain, and it's gonna have a bunch of snow, right? Right? It's chilly, pero no como yo esperaba. So I have a windbreaker, a Columbia sweater, and then I have a cardigan. Train's coming again. The train's coming. So we have a 5-minute stop that the train did to view the sky, the clouds, the snow. Ahorita les enseño. So there's ice or snow covering it. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm zooming in. Nothing. So there really wasn't anything to look at. So now we're gonna hop on the train again, and we have 25 more minutes till we get to the top of Europe. There's like a little experience here, and everyone's lined up. Ice Palace, and it was hella cold in there. Apparently we're gonna do a Ice Palace tour right here. Going down. Oh. We're literally sliding on this. Vamos por un little like callejoncito right here.
Apúrate, güey.
Oh, there's another. Hold on, let me see. Oh shit! We came up top to the observation area.
See, look right here. Go 2,000 feet up in here.
Oh goodness. I can't see. It's so bright up here, guys. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh gosh. It's snowing, guys. Here's a quick clip because I'm gonna put my camera away so I won't get wet. This is the view from the cafe. So pretty. We're going back to town. Hopefully have lunch. We're boarding the train now. The lady that comes around and checks the tickets just gave us all thinking chocolates. And it's just milk chocolate. Then we took a cable car down and went to Grindelwald, and the view again was just so beautiful. It's so like peaceful and like full of nature. I just loved it. I just loved it. I loved it. We just left that area.
Yo, look at that pond. How many days do you think it'll take you to get up to like?
वो हमारे हरियाणा में होता है जैसे क्वाड होंगे वैसे दरवाजा लगेगा तो अच्छा ही है ना क्वाड अच्छी है शिव यहाँ देख जिंदगी यहाँ देख
Oh, that birthday music.
I'm crazy right now.
ऊपर गए तो स्नो मम्मी तब आ रहा
He's like that. Stingy.
You're good. You're good. I'm zoomed in. You're good.
We're gonna be all like.
The task now is to find a restaurant to eat lunch at. I am literally craving Chick-fil-A, Yakina Chick-fil-A. So I'm in a table. Anyway, Grindelwald is here. Everyone's having a cute little photo session over here. Someone's having a nap. TikTok's going on. It's sprinkling. You had fallen.
I thought I was gonna fall.
Oh no. We have to take a hike to go to lunch. I'm starving. Yeah. I'm just trying to take some candid of the conversations.
Okay.
And it's so funny when Ed's talking.
My guys are talking.
We're trying to find the entrance to this restaurant because apparently we can't read. Or we don't understand. I think we found it.
Oh hell yeah!
Oh, it's
That'd be
cute.
awesome.
It's like a rooftop restaurant. Look.
Hey, it's like McMillan.
Damn, it sucks that we probably can't eat outside though, even on
Lunch, more like dinner, because it's literally 4:53 here. Got a side of fries. And with the view, I literally went to wash my hands before I ate, and I walked into the men's bathroom. I didn't realize until I was exiting, like, wait a minute, why is there urinals in here? I went outside, I'm like, it was the men's bathroom. I went, and thankfully there was nobody in there, but oh my god, eso no me pasa a mí.
Another chapter bringing us closer together, right? Here, big
Oh, that's what I saw earlier.
Hiking up after lunch to the station, not a good idea, especially because you're going up. Let me show you. Everyone's struggling. Look, we were over there. Now we're going up. I felt like my heart was gonna come out, and you had to go up these steep, like, walkways, and I was just like, aquí voy a quedar, güey, aquí voy a quedar. I'm gonna have to roll because, like, ya no puedo más.